Are you making these sciatica mistakes that could be keeping you in pain for months longer than necessary? I'm Dr. Megan Tomberlin from Waves of Wellness Chiropractic in Leland, North Carolina, and today I'm going to reveal the 5 most common mistakes I see patients making that actually make their sciatica worse, not better. Look, I get it. When you're dealing with shooting pain down your leg, you want relief fast. But here in the Leland area, I see the same mistakes over and over again. Patients come to me from Wilmington, Southport, and throughout the region after months of making these errors, and their pain has actually gotten worse. So let me save you from that frustration. Mistake number 1 is bed rest. I know it sounds logical. Your back hurts, your leg is killing you, so you think lying down will help. But here's what actually happens. Extended bed rest weakens your core muscles, tightens your hip flexors, and reduces blood flow to the affected area. This creates more inflammation and muscle imbalances that make your sciatica worse. The research is clear on this. More than 2 days of bed rest actually delays your recovery. Mistake number 2 is ignoring the early warning signs. Too many people push through that initial tightness in their lower back or that slight tingling down their leg. They think it will just go away on its own, but sciatica is progressive. What starts as mild discomfort can quickly become debilitating pain if the underlying nerve compression isn't addressed. The earlier you get proper treatment, the faster your recovery. Mistake number 3 is doing the wrong exercises. I see this constantly. People Google sciatica exercises and start doing generic stretches that might actually be making their specific condition worse. For example, if you have a herniated disc causing your sciatica, certain forward bending exercises can increase the pressure on that disc and worsen your symptoms. Every sciatica case is different, and your exercise program should be specific to what's actually causing your nerve compression. Mistake number 4 is relying only on pain medication. Look, I understand that medication can provide temporary relief, but here's the problem. Pain pills don't fix the underlying issue causing your sciatica. They just mask the symptoms. Meanwhile, the disc herniation, spinal stenosis, or piriformis syndrome that's compressing your nerve is still there, potentially getting worse. You need to address the root cause, not just cover up the pain. Mistake number 5 is waiting too long to get professional help. This is the biggest mistake I see. People suffer for weeks or months trying everything they can find online, hoping it will just resolve on its own. But here's the reality. True sciatica involves nerve compression, and nerves don't heal the same way muscles do. The longer that nerve stays compressed, the longer your recovery takes, and the more likely you are to have chronic issues. Here at Waves of Wellness in Leland, we see the consequences of these mistakes every single day. Patients who could have been better in weeks end up suffering for months because they made these common errors. We use specific diagnostic testing to determine exactly what's causing your sciatica, whether it's a disc issue, spinal stenosis, or piriformis syndrome. And our treatment approach addresses the root cause, not just the symptoms. If you need advanced soft tissue work, Dr. Jordan Warner is certified in active release technique, which can be incredibly effective for certain types of sciatica. Don't make these mistakes that could keep you in pain for months longer than necessary. If you're dealing with sciatica symptoms, shooting pain down your leg, numbness, or tingling, call our office today at 910-859-8359. We're located at 473 Old Waterford Way in Leland and will get you properly evaluated and on the right treatment path from day 1. Stop suffering and stop making these mistakes. The sooner you get the right diagnosis and treatment, the sooner you can get back to living your life pain-free. I'm Dr. Megan Tomberlin, and we'll see you soon at Waves of Wellness Chiropractic.